Hyundai Creta facelift. Oh, I'm sorry again. The all-new Hyundai Ioniq 5. Not again, but this is the all-new Hyundai Alcazar facelift 2024. And pardon me not, but all the three names which I've told with this car have some similarities. Yeah, this car is much similar to all its siblings from the Hyundai family. So what all things have been changed? क्या क्या चीज़ें सेम रखी गई है? What all things are totally different in this segment? सब कुछ चीज़ें हम छू के महसूस करके सब कुछ स्टोर करने वाले हैं. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. Okay, तो चाबी से स्टार्ट करते हैं. चाबी जो है वही सेम रखी गई है like all the Hyundai cars. So Hyundai logo, brown treatment, kind of chrome treatment. So lock the car, unlock the car. This is to turn on the car and this is to unlock the boot only because this doesn't get an electric tailgate till date. So let's keep this aside and let's come to the engine specs of this Hyundai Alcazar facelift. Okay, oh my god, I'm struggling for this always. So heavy. Engine insulation has been provided. So I am having this 1.5 petrol turbo जो अच्छी है, but I like diesel because diesel is available in 1.5 diesel. Only two engine options are available. Lot of empty space, coolant, lot of washer fluid goes over here. So the petrol produces 253 Newton meters of torque and 160 PS of power. Diesel produces 250 Newton meters of torque and a power of 116 PS of power. What a bang! Yeah, गजब का sound है यार. So let's come to the front of this car now. So facelift है, so the front has been changed completely. Even the rear has been changed. I was saying ना, exterior के जैसी लगती है. These are the extra style DRLs, H-shape, connected DRLs, sequential side turn indicators. I was saying Creta also ना, quad LED projector setup like the Creta facelift. 4 parking sensors at the front. Level 2 ADAS. Radar seems to be here. Camera is over there on the windshield, and this of course gets the auto wipers, auto headlights and the blind view monitor system. Level 2 ADAS, safety के बारे में no compromise. 360 degree camera, 2D Tata, 2D Hyundai logo. Yeah, huge grille which is of course piano black. And when I come to the side of this car now, nothing much changes has been made at the sides except the alloy design. Yeah, this is completely changed. Creta में आपको ना 5 strokes मिलते हैं. ये जो strokes हैं ना आपको 5 मिलते हैं ना, but Alcazar now gets 8 strokes. 1 2 3 4 6 8. Yeah, total 8 strokes. All disc brakes, McPherson certified coil spring suspension, Tursum beam with coil spring suspension, and a new update. All these cadlings are in piano black, so scratches लगेंगे. So care has to be taken. DCT badging on the fender, auto foldable electrical adjustable ORVM with the blind view monitor alert. Side turn indicator is sequential, 360 degree camera. A new update, no request switch. अब गाड़ी खोलोगे कैसे? Via the smartphone. Yeah, Hyundai, अगर आप ऐप ओपन करते हो ना, you just have to tap the phone over here and it will get unlocked in no time. That's cool. No side steps as the earlier one. So the door handles are body colored with kind of piano black, kind of copper treatment sort of thing. Roof rails, breached roof rails which are not functional of course, and sunroof भी दिया गया है. Panoramic shark fin antenna. Nothing much changes on the sides because the dimensions are the same in the facelift of course. So the tire size happens to be 215/55 R18. गजब लग रहा है यार, मुझे प्यार हो गया इस alloy से. Let's come to the rear of this car. So 4 parking sensors at the rear, 360 degree camera, Alcazar return right in chrome embedded. Yeah, so the tail lights are also connected. Hyundai Ioniq 5 की बात कर रहा था मैं. So these are the Hyundai Ioniq 5 identities. 2D Hyundai logo, wiper, washer, defogger, high mounted stock, high mounted shark fin antenna, stop lamp and all that stuff is the usual. So wiper बरकरार रखा गया है. So no removal of the wipers like the Hyundai Ioniq 5. So ऊपर आपको ऐसा कुछ मिलने वाला है. So that's the stuff. Signature badging, turbo 1.5 petrol turbo, dual exhaust tips. This is the diesel, but diesel में आपको और एक चीज़ नहीं है. The spare tire is not there. अभी आप सोचोगे यार चोरी हो गया. No, that's not the case. But spare tire company hasn't provided in the 1.5 diesel top model. Instead of that, tire pressure mobility kit has been provided. That's a useless thing. Yeah, what is Hyundai doing all these nonsense things? I don't understand. So the fuel goes over here. It's written remove slowly petrol E20 fuel only. At the rear, this is the boot space, and also there is a towing hook and a lot of exposed bits. Yeah, so that's the stuff. And also this rear seats can be folded. Yeah, and I'm like, तो खींचना पड़ेगा. And after pulling this now, you can fold the rear seats, of course. Okay, I'm like struggling for that. And yeah, you can fold these seats and it has been unlocked. Doing this with one hand is a kind of huge task, and I can fold the seats, which will increase the boot carrying capacity. If I fold the third row now, around 400 or 500 is the boot space, and if I fold the second row, of course 6 or 800 liters is the boot space. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, that's the stuff. Also there is a speaker over here, Bosch, and cabin lights, or the boot lights also provided, luggage to hold on to. Yeah, that's the stuff. Okay, yes, and let's open the second row now. Okay, so the door pads are also the same as the Creta, of course. Sun blinds, which are removable and foldable, of course. Bosch speakers, total 9 speakers if I'm not wrong, and you can recline the seat as like this. Idhar gaya yaar. Okay, I need to struggle for that. Okay, here is the stuff, and yeah, here is the stuff, and you can just tumble the seat and I can go back. Okay, Type C ports. No USB has been provided as many, but Type C ports are like humongous. Cup holder, AC vents, 3-point seat belt, sorry, 2-point seat belt. Only 2 people can sit at the rear. And this is the cabin light, which are in LEDs. Panoramic sunroof, grab handle to hold on to. If you want to read at night, पढ़ाई करनी है तो आप LED lights भी on कर सकते हो. So no adjustable seat belts at the second row. So यार proper seat belt has been provided यार. AC control vents, and getting in and out is not an issue because आराम से हो सकता है. And let's, oh my god, I can recline this further to enhance the safety, of course. So क्या comfort है यार, because these cushions are so comfortable ना. Amazing यार. So yeah, all the passengers get the 3-point seat belts. So armrest is there, उसपे भी plastic चढ़ाया हुआ है, no problem. But sitting under thigh support is not an issue because the under thigh support is humongous. Rear wireless charging pad, also 2 Type-C charging ports, rear AC vents, and magazine holders are provided. But also इसको खोलना पड़ेगा, yes. And also this gets, and okay, oh my god, I am like breaking things or what today. Brand new गाड़ी है, फिर भी आपको दिखाना है यार मुझे. On this you can place your laptop, have your dinner, do whatever you want. 3.5 kilograms of the maximum load capacity. You can fold this. All the seat belts, all the headrests are adjustable. Front, middle, rear also. Panoramic sunroof, and nothing to tell much about the rear stuff. And hump nahi hai yaar. Sitting is comfortable. Under thigh is amazing. Headroom, knee room, and all that stuff is amazing. So I am right now in this 6-seater, and the 6-seater gets an amazing feature which the 7-seater doesn't get. Is the adjustable under thigh support. Yeah, the under thigh support is adjustable by only 5 centimeter. Yeah, that's true, but it's worth, right? गजब का यार. Just it can be adjustable according to your under thigh, and it's only available for the 6-seater. Also I can adjust the front co-passenger seat via this one switch. If I want to increase my legroom or knee room, I can just press this switch and take this seat at the front without knowing the front co-passenger. Isn't that amazing in this 6-seater? Also I am now in the 1.5 diesel top model. अभी आप सोचेंगे यार तो क्या हुआ, but Hyundai has given a shocking thing that टॉप मॉडल 1.5 डीजल में सनरूफ नहीं है यार. व्हाट इज दिस? सो डीजल 1.5 में टॉप मॉडल में सनरूफ आपको मिलेगा ही नहीं. समथिंग सॉर्ट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल इशू हैज बीन गोइंग ऑन, सो फॉर दैट सनरूफ इज नॉट देयर इन द टॉप मॉडल. सो वजूद क्या रहा यार, अभी उससे अच्छा आपको पेट्रोल ही लेना पड़ेगा इफ यू आर अ डीजल फैन लाइक मी. लेट्स गो टू द ड्राइवर डोर नाउ. दिस इज ऑल्सो द सेम एज यू गेट इन द क्रेटा, बट a change. This now gets memory seats option. Yeah, 2 settings can be done. This is usual ORVM fold and unfold, adjustment switch, lock, unlock, all power windows. Only the front driver door gets the one touch up and down function. So yeah, this is 8-way adjust driver seat, but an update, both the front seats get the 8-way adjust electric power seats. Yeah, you can just slide these electrically. Fuel lid opening, bonnet opening. This is the fuse box. This is to start a car, stop the car, auto start stop, traction control, parking sensors on and off switch. This is the headlight leveling switch. And okay, let's close this. 9 speakers if I'm not wrong, 2 tweeters, 4 speakers, one at the front dashboard and one at the rear. So the sunroof is amazing. कितनी धूप हो रही है यार गोवा में, कभी भी बारिश होती है, कभी भी धूप होती है. So DCT dual clutch transmission, and for that pedal shifters are also provided. So the steering is kind of देखा लग रहा है. Also The dashboard is kind of देखा लग रहा है ना. हाँ, the same Creta style dashboard, because I was saying ना Creta जैसे similarities है. These are the similarities. Same dashboard. The amazing treatment at the interior. हाँ, अभी आप बोलोगे मैं इतना धीरे क्यों बात कर रहा हूँ. हाँ, I am like a fan of this car यार. 7 सीटर्स गाड़ी है यार. कितना स्पेस, कितने फीचर्स भरे हैं यार. This is the cooled glove box. Bose sound system, piano black treatment, a lot of piano black treatment. This is the same console which you get in the Creta. Also the dashboard is the same. 10.25 inch, 10.25 inch instrument cluster, infotainment system. What am I saying? Yeah, later. सब कुछ later करेंगे हम. So this front both seats are ventilated. Also an update. The rear seats are also ventilated. Yeah, the rear second row seats are also ventilated. Auto climate control, digital, DCT, wireless charging pad, front as well as on the rear, this stuff. So bottle holder, armrest is also kind of very deep, so it's kind of gazab hai yaar. So this is for the parking, 360 degree camera, auto hold, electric parking brake, drive mode selector, 3 drive modes, eco, normal and sport, 3 traction modes, snow, mud and sand if I'm not wrong. So front and rear wiper controls, headlight controls, auto. The steering is from the Creta, but only difference is the यहाँ पर आपको जो सिल्वर मिलता था ना, अभी आपको यहाँ पर पियानो ब्लैक मिलने वाला है. ब्लू लिंक दीदी, modes to change all this stuff. हाँ, cruise control, ADAS and all that stuff is also provided. This is kind of magnetic touch, not as magnetic, but हाँ magnet मतलब phone नहीं चिपकेगा. Other magnetic stuff can be done. So side turn indicator, blind view monitor system. That's amazing. So a lot of stuff is given on valet mode, quiet mode, maps, navigation, voice, Geo, Savan, Blue Link, Didi, and phone projection and all that stuff. अभी phone में मुझे project नहीं करना है. Okay, so a lot of stuff has been given. And this is silver. क्रेटा में आपको क्रोम या फिर कॉपर मिलता था, अभी ये सिल्वर में ही मिलने वाला है. रियर सॉरी द फ्रंट एसी वेंट्स आर काइंड ऑफ स्पोर्टी, द सेम. एंड ऑल्सो देयर इज काइंड ऑफ एम्बिएंट लाइटिंग जो मुझे दिख नहीं रही है. हाँ, सो ना सीट्स आर अमेजिंग. USB port, 12 volts charging socket and Type C port. Type C port are humongous in this car. Creta बोल रही है, सॉरी Hyundai बोल रही है, आप जस्ट बोलो, हम जितने चाहिए उतने दे देंगे. एंड दिस इज ऑफ कोर्स इन द स्पोर्ट्स मोड नाउ. एंड इसको कैसे चेंज करना है? ओहो हो, ओके. नाउ इट्स इन नॉर्मल, eco, and when I turn this ना, the modes also change and I love sports mode. Do you all love it? मुझे लगता है यार, मुझे पसंद है यार स्पोर्ट्स मोड. सो द IRVM is auto IRVM, SOS towing service, Blue Link Didi. This is the goggle holder to put your goggle. So the rear something sort of that passenger airbag and all that stuff. This is the cabin light which is in LED and the glass is provided for the co-passenger. ड्राइवर मेकअप कैसे करेगा? अगर गाड़ी लड़की चला रही है तो वो मेकअप कैसे करेगी यार? इसके बारे में सोचो यार. लेट्स ओपन द सनरूफ. ओ माय गॉड, इट्स अ panoramic sunroof which you used to get in the earlier Alcazar also, but ना as compared to the earlier Alcazar ना मुझे ये बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. एंड द सन ब्लाइंड ऑल्सो क्लोज. तुझे मैंने बंद होने को कहा था क्या? शरारती है तू बहुत. हाँ, पूरा बंद हो जा, पूरा लाइट ब्लॉक कर दे यार, शरारती कहीं का. सो द सीट बेल्ट्स आर एडजस्टेबल एंड या इट्स एन अमेजिंग वन यार, गजब लग रही है. सो और कुछ रह गया है क्या? So yeah, all the things have been covered, and bottle holder and all that stuff. The door pads are the same which you used to get in the Creta, of course. So yeah, this was the perfect walk around of the all new Hyundai Alcazar facelift. The ex-showroom of this car happens to be 14.99 lakhs onwards and continues till the higher variants, of course. So base variant starts from 14 or 15 if I'm not wrong. गजब लग रही है ना, 7 सीटर्स. पहली तो XUV 700 will be in trouble. And of course the other brands which have the 7-seater will be in trouble because this car gets a lot of features that cars doesn't get in the base and in the top model also. यार गजब के लग रहे हैं ना. So this was the complete walk around of the all new Hyundai Alcazar facelift. If you like this, do share and do subscribe and follow me on Instagram and my WhatsApp channel for my daily updates. So मिलते हैं यार, गाड़ी चलाने में कैसी है वो भी चलाएंगे. जब गाड़ी रेडी हो जाएंगी तब मिलेंगे हम इसकी ड्राइविंग पार्ट से. तब तक टेक केयर एंड गुड बाय.